Okay, so you probably heard about the news related to Discord's AI face and ID scanning verification. So here I am with this brand new video where I'm gonna be showing you the most recommended alternatives for Discord, and it's going to be simply pretty not long video. So starting up with Stoat, or previously known as Revolt. This open source program Discord alternative was used for pretty long time as still work in progress program, but it has its obviously bugs, but it is focused on privacy, as in the official Stoat website it stated that they are not going to sell your information and data to third party things, you will be completely private according to what they said. It's a very good alternative and very Discord like. And it's also customizable with your profile and banner finally being able for free to be customizable. There are a lot of information on Stoat's website, so I highly recommend checking this one out without any problems. The next one is Steam Chats. Now I know this one's pretty interesting, but here is what I recommend. Steam Chat has currently decided to go full Discord look as well, and it's actually very good. Of course, this has been for a pretty long time. Steam Chat has its own separate application for you to chat with your friends or group that you create, something to be like Discord, apparently with brand new updates. So I highly recommend checking this one as well. The next one is both of these following two are going to be matrix org based, and these are also privacy focused, highly privacy focused. So it's encryption to encryption, and it's both Cine and Element. These are the best privacy ones that I could find. There are other ones, but these are the most recommended ones. Cine and Element. They are both very good. While Cine is more Discord look-like, it doesn't support voice chatting and streaming at all. It's only for general chatting. And Element is more of a dominating matrix org program that is apparently going to be giving you better options and various other things, just like on Discord, and supports voice chatting and other stuff. And lastly, I think this one is the one that people were waiting for, TeamSpeak. Now, TeamSpeak has been rivaling with Discord for the last couple of days, weeks, and even months. This whole time, they have even made a huge update to their application that just basically mocked the entire Discord's UI look and made it even better. And you can make your own TeamSpeak account. You can basically go ahead and have your friends, your party, your community, your whatever you want. But of course, for a larger one, because for free it's just 32 members only. If you want large community, you're gonna have to go ahead and buy the subscription for larger communities for TeamSpeak to verify this way. So this is the only drawback, but it's still better than Discord in overall. We also used to have Guilded, but this was owned by Roblox and they recently shut it down, moving all of its communication chatting into the actual Roblox. And I don't think it would be any good if they kept the Guilded even right now, because I'm sure with Roblox moving the same ID verification, age verification, just like Discord, I think that even Guilded would be the affected one, unfortunately. So yeah, these 4-5 options are the most recommended for me in the way of security. You can ask on internet others as well, but these are the most recommended ones. I think that Matrix ones were always on top when it came to privacy, so I think on those. But I also trust Stoat for now, because I believe and hope that everything is going to be focusing on privacy as well, because they also were reported to have matrix-based programming and coding, just like the Cine and Element. I believe in the Stoat as well, since it's also matrix-based, just like Cine and Element. But otherwise than that, I think this summarizes the whole video. And if you have more, let me know down in the description. I would like to see more of the opinions from you guys related to these mentioned ones and the other ones, which ones you recommend. Let me know in the comments, and maybe on my server as well, the Discord one, because if this gets worse, we are moving the whole server to other replacement and we're gonna build community there. So I'm gonna delete the link for Discord invite and share the invite for the other platform that is going to be used as a replacement. But for now, that's all I have to say. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Fight for your privacy, fight for your freedom. This is not gonna be just letting away like this. We are not gonna let them go away with our privacy and freedom just like this. We're gonna fight for it, and we're gonna make sure that Discord is gonna be seeing how much we care about our privacy, and the EU as well. I hope to God, just like I said many times outside of my videos, that the whole chat control law will not pass in the EU, because I refuse to live under dictatorship, and I refuse to live in a country that is a part of EU where I'm going to be monitored by the EU with the chat control, and I refuse to go to jail just for chatting with people about anything that I want to chat with them, because I have a right to do so. I refuse. So I hope the chat control law will not pass as well, and I hope people of Europe and European Union specifically will fight for this, as this is very important to fight for your freedom and privacy on not only internet but also real life, basically. That's all I have to say. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you hopefully in different ones like this. Bye now, good everyone.